Hey guys, and welcome to this new video of learning Symfony 3. Sorry, I don't know what happened. The last video it stopped, but this is like we will continue what we will do in the last video. So as you see, the form is become like this. So this is the code. If you want to do the same, don't forget to delete here the form, because we just like put it in here to see if it work or if it create. And here is the code of that form. So if you want to do the same or to do it like this, so now let's go back to our controller in here. If you want to make, for example, this body in here a text area, you can go to here, type and text area type 2.2 class. Save, make sure that it's used in here. Now go back and refresh and you will see that he will become a text area. So now we need to first to have those see, now he is a text area. After that you can go and make the column and the row as you want. So now, as I said, we need to go first in here. So for the moment I will do just submitted, and here here in the command code of sending email. But first we need to have data create in our form. So to do that we will use our variable form, and it has a function called handle request. So handle request and here let's have a request, but we don't have this variable. We need to put it here as an argument of type request. So request, and here our variable request. Don't forget semicolon in here. So now let's go here and start our email or code of sending email. So let's use message for as a variable equal here new and slash swift message. So swift underscore message, and here we need to put the subject for it's for example hello mail. It's just an example, and here, as I said, is the subject, and here we use, for example, here set from, and let's put the email of the one from. So set form, set to, and set body. And here in the body we have two thing. Here is text, and for example here it's the format of that text. In our case it will be text slash plain. But first we need to have to send them with a mailer. So, and yeah, the function it's called a mailer, but we need first to have it here as parameter. So underscore swift mailer. So swift mailer, and let's name it, for example, mailer. Let's save, and let's use it in we said in here. So mailer, and it has a function called send, and inside of it we put this message that we want to send. So here now we need to go and have this data. So here let's make a new variable called data equal form get data. And this data, it's an array, so here if we want to use it, we will use it like this. So data, and here the name of the data. For example, we said first is subject, so here subject, so we'll just copy and paste for the other, from also here and also in here. So here it's from, and here data, it's body. But here it need to be like static, because for example here will be the email of the owner of the website or the owner of the application. For example, I will use the one that I put it in the mail trap, because he is the one that I'm using. But now we have a problem. It's not a problem, but if we go here and inspect element of our form, if we go and see this form, we will find it. Where is the form? It will be in here. So basically you will find the form with the method post, and our form we need it to be with post and get. So to do that we need to go back in here and tell it to Symfony. So method, and here we tell him that we want to use the both get and post, and make sure that you this method, like you're using it. No, you're using it below, so I'm not using it, so I will go and use it. Or basically I will just go to one of the old form, because they are in there. So here the entity controller, for example, the category entity, here it is. So I will copy it from here and go in here and paste it. Method, this one. So now let's go and refresh and see what we will have. So now let's go and test it. For example, from this email.com subject test or Swift mailer, and the body testing if email will be sent. For example, here we click on this send. Now don't forget to go back in here to your contact and add this form start and form end. Now go here and refresh, and now you need to see the form. So I will check element, here. Now we have the form. So let's go and test again. So we say from this email.com subject Swift mailer, and in the body testing Swift mailer, send, is refreshing. Now let's go back in here and see we received the email with the body or the subject Swift email as body here, as subject here in the body testing Swift mailer. So we find it also in here, testing Swift mailer, and from this email address, and here also it's the same email address. So now we know how to like make this contact us become real and send email with it. So now if you are using tip email or some other, like for example SMTP provider or mail provider, just go and see it, or go to your actual Gmail if like your SMTP do that, and verify there. So I think this is all for this video. See you